Can you recommend for me, or can you tell me which one is the best to go if I want to create mobile application, to go with a native branch or to go with a cross-platform branch? Which one you recommend to work with to when developing for mobile application, and why?
It depends on your app's requirements, but here's a clear recommendation. Go native, Swift, Kotlin if your app needs high performance, advanced animations, or deep OS integration, like AR, VR, or heavy processing. Apps like Uber, Instagram, and WhatsApp use native for speed and optimization. Go cross-platform, Flutter, React Native if you want to save time, reduce costs, and launch on both iOS and Android with one code base. It's perfect for MVPs, startups, and apps with simple to medium complexity like food delivery, e-commerce, and social apps. Flutter is usually the best pick for UI-heavy apps. If I had to choose one best approach for most cases, I'd say Flutter. It's fast, looks great, and works on both platforms with near-native performance. But if you're building something complex and performance critical, go native. What kind of app are you planning to build?
Can you tell me, okay, if I have the power for AI agent, okay, which approach will be more better? As you know now, AI agent can support me for creating an application in 80% less time. So, are you still recommending to work with a cross-platform or to be native?
Great point. With AI agents speeding up development, the choice shifts a bit. Since AI can handle a lot of repetitive coding, debugging, and optimization, native development becomes much more viable because the usual concerns, like longer development time, are reduced. Here's the breakdown with AI assistance. If you want the absolute best performance, full hardware access, and long-term scalability, go native. Swift Kotlin. Since AI can now handle a lot of boilerplate and complex coding, the usual time and cost drawbacks of native development are much lower. If you still prioritize fast development, cost efficiency, and a unified codebase, cross-platform, Flutter or React Native is still a strong option. But AI doesn't remove the fact that native apps will always have better performance and deeper system integration. Final recommendation with AI assistance. If AI is doing 80% of the work, I'd recommend going native, because now you can get both speed and top-tier performance without the usual drawbacks. However, if you're launching an MVP or need quick updates across platforms, cross-platform is still a great option. What kind of AI agent are you using, or are you thinking of building one?
Honestly, no. I just taking your opinion for which programming language we need to use when we creating application or mobile application specifically.
Got it.
Thank you.
If I had to give you the best overall recommendation, go native. Swift for iOS, Kotlin for Android, if you want the best performance, security, and long-term scalability, especially for complex apps like banking, gaming, or AI-heavy applications. Go cross-platform, Flutter or React Native, if you want fast development, lower costs, and a shared codebase for iOS and Android. Great for startups, MVPs, e-commerce, or general business apps. If you don't have a strict requirement for deep system access or heavy performance needs, Flutter is the best choice for most modern apps because it's fast, beautiful, and efficient. But if performance is critical, native is the way to go. Are you planning a specific app or just exploring?
Thank you.